So this is my current setup, and let me open the task manager. One second, it's a little bit laggy. So in this system I have, wait, yes, as you can see, 4 GB RAM. So today I'm gonna check whether it can hold, will it run on 6 GB RAM or not. So let's get into it. So now let me open the PC. Unscrew. This is the screw. Let's keep it aside. Everything aside. And now let's open this thing up. So let's open this up. Oh no, wrong side. Let's close this thing up and let's open the other side. So now let's open this side panel and let's keep it somewhere. And now this is my 4 GB stick. Currently, where's the RAM? Yes, here it is. These are two 2 GB sticks. So all I'm gonna do is pop out one stick of RAM. Where was the notch? Let's align this thing with the notch. Okay, and I think that this should now go here. And if you are taking this as a tutorial to like how to install RAM, so all you need to do is pop these two things, like you need to push them outwards and then the RAM will automatically pop up, and then all you need to do is pull it out and install the new RAM. But you need to take care of the notch. There's a notch here, let me show it to you. So where's the notch? Wait. So in this case the notch is around here. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I think that the phone is tilted. Yes. So it's here. And now let's install the RAM. And the simpler way is to like attach it like this. And my PC only has 2 RAM slots. And just all you need to do is just push it from both the sides, from here and wait, from here and from here. So let me do it and show it to you. So I think that this thing is good to go. So now let's put the monitor and let's power it on. The cable in, and now let's power this thing. And let's check for any live. Oh no, I forgot to plug in the monitor power cable. Where is it? Okay, so here it is. And let me plug it in. I think it might have some live. And oh no, no signal. I think that it failed booting up. Let's try again. Yes, and as you can see, it has some life. Keyboard not found. Okay, I will fix that issue right now. Where's my keyboard? This is my keyboard. Let's plug it in and let's check. Let me turn on the RGB for some like appearance, whatever, and it will ask for the password, and then I will like open up the task manager. So guys, welcome is here, and I'm waiting for it to like show the start screen. Otherwise, it might have only detected 2 or 4 GB RAM. And let's check that what it shows. Let's hit Control Shift Escape. It might take a little bit time. Oh no, why was I shooting like this? And oh no, how do I like go to the performance tab? Will the tab key work? I will need to connect the mouse. Wait a second. The mouse is connected, and let's click on the performance tab. And yes, there we go. 6 gigabytes of RAM. And as you can see, it runs perfectly fine. So that's all in this video. Consider subscribing to this channel for more epic videos, and I would like to ask some of you, like all of you guys, whether I should add some LEDs at the back of this monitor like I did on the keyboard, and should I do it on one half or the full monitor? Kindly tell me that also.